In this video I'm going to show you how one applies the nitrite test for Sera, for turtles or fish aquariums. The first thing we have to do is rinse the valve 2 times. We put a bit of water there, we shake it, we throw away the water, and we rinse it twice so we can remove any material there that might affect the results of the test. Then we dry the outside of the valve so we don't wet the surface where we're working, especially the paper that has the chart of colors. For this test we need 5 milliliters of water of the aquarium, and we can use the line that is marked here on the valve to define 5 milliliters, or as I prefer to use a syringe that I assume gives me a more precise value of 5 milliliters. First of all, we take region 1, we shake it very well, and we introduce 5 drops of this reagent into the water, the aquarium water. We must use the dropper in a vertical position so we can ensure we have full drops falling into the water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We shake the valve, and now we put 5 drops of region 2. We shake it well. We take the cap off. We dry the bottom of the valve, and we put it on the chart of colors to compare the colors of our solution. We have to look at the color of the liquid and compare the chart from above. And it is currently showing 0 milligrams per liter of nitrite, which is very good. And that's ready. We got 0 milligrams of nitrite, and now we have to wash this valve with water, dry it, and put it away. And that's it. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please remember to subscribe, share it, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.